Today I am going to show the disassembly and installation of the handheld welding gun. First, let's unzip the zipper of the welding gun. Cut off the zip ties. Then dismantle the wiring of the welding gun. Emergency housing. Disconnect the motor's connection wire and the additional wire. And the other wire is the switch wire. At a distance of approximately 1 meter from our welding gun. Remove the electrical tape. Then unplug this connector. This is a part of the wire. Next, let's look at the air hose and water hose. The welding gun has two water hoses, one for inflow and one for outflow. The transparent one in the middle is the air hose. This is a quick connector. Simply unplug it. On this side, we can use zip ties to secure the leaking part. Tie it up. The final step is to remove the fiber optic cable. Be careful about dust prevention when dealing with the fiber optic cable. First, loosen the QBH lock that locks the fiber optic cable. After loosening, unscrew the lock from its position. Then twist it to the unlock position. Then remove the fiber optic cable. Take out the fiber optic cable. Be cautious about dust prevention. Prepare the QBH protective sleeve in advance. Check it. Make sure the QBH protective lens is in good condition. Check for scratches or marks. Make sure everything is in order. Then insert it into place. As for the welding gun part, also insert it into place. Done. Then reinstall the casing. And now the whole welding gun is disassembled.